I'm Mike. I'm your friend, Michael Steinmetz. Welcome to UFO Truth Sound. The question has been raised for many years, mostly since 1947. This supposed flying saucer landed in Roswell, crashed. The positive 3 dead aliens on the ground. What that question is there life outside of Earth? Well, that question cannot fully be answered unless we dig deep into the psyche of people. Let's just cut to that interview. Wow.
Yeah, I used to work for the government. Government stuff really spelled nobody actually realizes that. I used to work for the government. I was in the gun shooting part of the government. I had guns to shoot people with. I was walking through a place they call a top secret place. Not a lot of people knew about it. I think it's because it's called top secret. I think that's Latin where there's no elephant. But I was walking through a top secret place, and I saw these little gray people, and they had these really big teeth and big round ears, and they crawled around and they chewed on things, and they had these big black eyes and made an odd kind of squeaky noise. And I picked one up and I cut it open. It was different on the inside than us. It had like bones in different places and organs that looked a lot like ours, but were a lot smaller. And they said that I was to keep quiet about that and not to tell anyone. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it is so secret too.
As you can see, many eyewitnesses have had some rather poignant experiences. But these are the experiences we're looking for in these deep the realms of UFOs and space. Right now, we'll go through a photo taken by Mr. Ivan Turner. This is one of the biggest pieces of evidence that seems to point out that man has a camera and he took pictures of 3 UFOs.
As you can see, these 3 dark, rounded off spots in the center of your picture are what this man claims to be UFOs. We will talk to Mr. Fredrickson right now.
I am Mr. Fredrickson. I'm from Sweden. I see the UFO and I take a picture.
Mr. Fredrickson, what day was it?
It is Thursday.
Which day is it? Thursday?
I had 5 dates before then. Well, the 6 dates.
The calendar.
Oh, the calendar. I never dated my calendar.
What calendar date?
Oh, I see what you're asking. I take it on the 14th of March.
Another question.
Oh, really? Yeah.
What do you do about
They look like strange people adults. They were the smartest ones. If we said the UFO, it is the smartest one to see. And so I saw 3 flying, so it's smartest one.
How does
They are moved by flying through the air. Like giant flying, no, wait.
It's just three big, round, dark spots on your camera.
But I take a picture of my house, and it does not take a very good picture. And they say it's the zoom in and the enhance. I don't know what the zoom in and the enhance is, but they say it no makes picture any better, and I say that's not stinky. So I just take the picture of my house and put it about the flying. I said there's more before.